Okay, so I'm just gonna make this quick video. I just installed Diode Dynamics SS3 Maxes. They're right here in the middle. So those are the ones in the middle. Boy. So they're in the middle. The ones right here are the Baja Design Squadron Sports. Just gonna kind of do a quick comparison of the two. So yeah, let's just get right to it. So we're gonna start with off, and then these are, oh shoot, again, these are off. These are my HID low beams, 5000K, and then these are the Baja Design Squadron Sports, and then these are the Diode Dynamic Maxes. So you can see that it really branches off more to the left there, or more to the side, sorry. So, and I do have my camera settings set up at 800 ISO, 45 shutter speed, and let's do auto white balance, sorry. So again, this is, so SS3s are going off, and then Squadron Sports are off, and then I'm left with the headlights. So if we do turn off the headlights, and then this is the SS3 Maxes from Diode Dynamics. Let's see if I can adjust the settings here a little bit better. This is 3200 ISO right now, and it is branching off a little bit more to the left, you can see, but I'm trying to keep it as accurate to the eye as much as I can. Maybe 1600, but I'll keep it at 800 just for, this is probably going to be more accurate. But yeah, this is what they're looking like right now. I'm very happy with them so far. I mean, this is the first night drive with them. Definitely not bright at all. Well, they're very bright, but definitely the cutoff helps a lot. So if you dip down, that's when they're in your eyes. So the cutoff is very awesome. They go far too. I'm thinking about changing the lens to a spot lens, or changing the Baja Designs to a spot lens. I'm not quite sure yet, but these are awesome. Here, I'll show you what it looks like from inside. Parked in some random lot right now, so kind of sketchy, but yeah, that's what that's looking like. And then if you turn on the headlights, give it a bit to warm up. Then Baja Designs, and then Diode Dynamics. Off, on. Man, these things are awesome. Let's see if we can't catch a glimpse here. Off, on. So I'd turn on my ditch lights, but I just wired in a fuse block also to the under the hood, so I'm still working on that. I'm just really tired today, so my brain's burnt out from that. But yeah, this is excellent. This is headlights and Diode Dynamics. So still, and then off, on, off, on. So definitely a noticeable difference between, or compared to the Baja Designs. And that's not to throw shade on them. I still like mine, but, and I think I might turn it into a spot lens. So But these are the technology that they have in these is pretty awesome. The lens, so pretty nice. And then these are the high beams. So all right. Thanks, y'all. You know what? Figure I'd do a quick drive for y'all. So these are with the Diode Dynamics. So you can see that it's very, oh, there you go. It's very bright. So these are with everything on. And then, yeah, I'll tell you what, let's just run, oh, what do we got here? Get out the way, cat. Boy, that cat. Okay, well, there we go. Yeah, again, okay, so we got headlights. Okay, then we got my Baja designs. And we got the Diode Dynamics. I keep stumbling on the word, but yeah, these things incredibly wide. Very awesome. I mean, just look how it gets the turn of the corner. So that's awesome. Baja designs, Diode Dynamics. And here's with everything off and just the Diode Dynamics. Alright, again, thanks for watching.